Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to promote refugees in Last Sea Survival Shooter. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so before we get started, what are refugees good for? So refugees give bonuses when assigned to the right buildings. For example, increased production, speed up training, healing, etc. Promoting a refugee increases their bonus, and the talent hub is used to manage and promote those refugees. Now, how to promote these. So you want to find your club. So mine's a level 1 club, and then go ahead and click on recruit. From inside of here, you want to go down the bottom and it will say recruit refugees, but it does require headquarters level 5 for this. Now from here, once you're inside this tab, you want to select the refugee you want to promote. So pick one that is already recruited and assigned or available for assignment, and then apply the fragments to promote. So you're going to need refugee fragments to promote them. So now use the required number of refugee fragments to increase their level rank. This will improve the bonus they give, for example, better production speed, more output, etc. After promotion, it might make sense to move the refugee to a building where their boosted bonus is more powerful or is more useful. Now, some tips about these refugees and which ones to promote first or prioritize. So you want to go on butlers, so improve construction speed, and scientists, which improve research speed, are high priority, especially early on in the game. Diplomats are also very powerful if you can get one of higher rarity. So try getting those that benefit buildings you upgrade or use often, so the bonus is always relevant.